So OnePlus is reportedly working on the OnePlus 13T with the model number PKX110. It's already passed major checks in China, which means we're getting closer to launch, probably next month or maybe May if they like to keep us waiting. Now let's talk specs, because this thing is packing some heat. 6.3 1-inch LTPO OLED panel, 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Basically, all the smoothness and sharpness you'd expect from a flagship. And here's something interesting, OnePlus might be testing an action button, just like Apple. They already announced they'd be switching up how their alert slider works, so this could be their big experiment. Under the hood, leaks suggest we're looking at Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite, which sounds powerful. Now, cameras, 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS, plus a 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x zoom. Sounds solid, but we still don't know how OnePlus plans to handle image processing. And battery, 6,000 milliamp hour. That's massive for a compact phone. Plus 80 watt fast charging, so you won't be stuck near a wall outlet all day. Plus there could be support for wireless charging as well. Software wise, Oxygen OS 15 on Android 15 is expected, meaning all the latest features and hopefully not too much bloat. Now the price. Rumors say it'll be around 3,099 yuan, roughly $430, which is tempting, but we'll see if that holds up. Even the camera design is still up in the air. Some leaks say it'll be vertical, others say horizontal. Guess OnePlus is keeping us on our toes. Honestly, this reminds me a bit of the Sony Xperia 5 series, which was also a compact flagship with solid specs. Maybe OnePlus is finally giving small phone lovers a real alternative. Either way, this could be fun. Would you pick this over the iPhone 16e or Pixel 9a? Let's talk in the comments. Peace.